Now, why would I take this painting corner that's down my hallway that I just got set up and move it into my other room where all my art supplies are? And what does that have to do with making art? And why would I even want to make a video about it? I live and make art in a somewhat small space, a small basement apartment. I have one room dedicated to art, and then I have art supplies everywhere else in the apartment. And this corner is the only place that I can figure out that I might have the space and the outlets and whatever needed to create a planting station, which is what I need more than anything right now because it's cold outside. I need my dream of planting and preparing for the summer and my garden, and so I need to sacrifice something. Now, I thought before I did all this that moving more art supplies into that art room that I have, which I call my home art studio, would make it less efficient and too crowded. But it actually solved some issues that I had in that now things are more in one space instead of all over the apartment. That has inspired me to do more of that work and to get everything sort of collected that has to do with art into that one room so I can focus on my art when I'm there and not focus on it when I'm elsewhere. But anyway, back to this space. First, I had to clear it out, which was a little daunting as a task. I had to move a freezer, I had to move a rug, had to clear out a shelf that was full of paint in the garage and repurpose it and bring it into this hallway and find a place for the paint in the garage. Daunting, yes, but kind of exciting because when I'm inspired to do something, that's when somehow I find the energy and motivation to do it. So I'm really excited I did this. So now that that's all taken care of and my hair is washed and I have my coffee, let's talk about what's really going on with wanting to plant things. The world right now feels like it could use a little bit more hope. And since gardening is hope, I mean, you can't plant a seed without having hope for a future that you can't see right in that moment, and you just have a dream that it will come to fruition when you plant that seed, and it does, and it's a miracle, and it's wonderful to watch. And in any case, I've missed that, and if you have followed me or know me, you know that my motto has been art and gardens everywhere, and my general mission as an adult or as an artist or both has been to spread the joy of art and gardens everywhere. And I didn't do much gardening last year, and I need the joy of gardening in my life. And so this channel will take just a little shift. It'll still be about art and going out in the world and making it, because it is a very big world out there and there is a lot of art to make. But I'm going to be making some of it in my backyard, and I hope you'll join me.